Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are making this acrylic pour with the 2-cup swirl technique. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. These are the colors I will be using. They will also be in the description bar along with a link on how to mix your paints. If you want to see how I layered my paints, stay to the end of this tutorial. So I'm just taking my cup and I'm making small swirls, kind of going around in a circular motion and just making random patterns along my canvas. Now I'm going to take my second cup and go around and fill in any bare areas. Now I'm taking my torch lighter and going around my painting to remove any air bubbles. And now it's time to stretch it. So you just kind of want to go front to back, side to side, maybe even in a circular motion until you get the design that you are looking for. Make sure to cover your corners and edges as well. And here is the final painting. You can find me on Instagram at tmariedesigns. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See ya!